Hello friends, I Shirvadan welcome you to my new video. In this video, we shall be discussing about financial sector. So what are those indications which could be helpful for you if you are investing in share market, especially in financial sector companies. So there are four indications which we will discuss in this video. So let's get started to it. The number one indication basically, the lifeline and the brain line should have a joint over on the edge of the palm. So there are people who have this independent sort of arrangements of mind line and lifeline, but commonly what we find is that they are already joined over here. So it is a good indication. More is the joining, more is beneficial for you in this specific area of investing in financial sector companies and getting good gains out of it. So this is the first indication. The second indication is related to the same mind line, that this mind line should be bent downward. Although I have made a downward bending mind line itself, but I'll extend it. This mind line should be having a bend towards the moon mount. So it is a very good indication that way. Okay, so now two indications which we have discussed so far. It is a single indication only, that the mind line should be joined with the lifeline on the edge, as well as it should be bending towards the moon mount. These are the indications which we have to see foremost in a hand. Now, although we have discussed in our earlier videos that moles or till are very specific, and they in very specific have indications towards the palmistry, and basically in most of the mounts they are very negative. But if you are having a mole on the brain line, say this is the brain line, and if I am having a mole over here, see this is the brain line or the headline, if I am having a mole over here, so it is a very beneficial indication. Although it may not be a beneficial indication as far as your health is concerned, because it is directly related to migraine or other brain related problems, but it can give you a good benefit if you invest in financial sector companies in share market. So this mole is a kind of mixed situation. Although it will affect your health, but financially if you will try to gain something out of it, so you can invest in certain type of sector, that is financial sector. So there are chances that you will get good gains out of it. So this was the third indication. Now the fourth indication, there are basically two signs that we have to see on the Venus mount. See, this is our thumb and this is the Venus mount. So if we are having two specific indication or two signs, that is, one is square and one is triangle. So if we are having both of them, either of them, so it will be very beneficial among the all other indications, like the lifeline should be joined with the brain line. The brain line should bend downwards toward the moon mount. There should be a mole on the brain line. And the last but not the least, our presence of square or a triangle on your Venus mount gives you strength, luck to succeed in the share market, and if you plan it accordingly, all your investments accordingly, so there are chances that you will get good returns out of it. So we will discuss more sectors in coming videos. I Shrivadan, you can consult me personally, and we can have online personal consultation through Zoom or WhatsApp, so anywhere in the world you are. So you can contact me on missiontathastu@gmail.com. Thank you.